Hi, good evening. Today, 26th March 2025. Today morning there was opened little gap up. Afterwards, Nifty then came back to yesterday's close and further it went down. So seems there are a lot of profit booking is happening, as well as this one means tax harvesting also happening because of the year ending. So that may be the reason. So maybe it will recover further after the March series from February means from Friday or Monday onwards. It may again it will going to recover. That's what we are expecting. So let us see how it will going to react. But today the first 2 hours up to 11 o'clock, there was a huge volatile movement. We could not able to enter any direction. You can see here. This is the first 5 minute candle, which itself made as a doji, which is showing the bottom side. If you see bottom side, there is a very huge this thing means you can see here the doji is also it's a bottom. It is showing that it is a bullish movement. Top there is a wick is top wick is small and bottom wick is high. That means this initially it is showing there is a direction change of bullish. Accordingly, second candle also went. So afterwards, there are big surprise. It has got reversal. Got reversal that many people would have based on this doji candle. Many people would have entered this buy side, but which got rejected. So you can see here in the C side also. C side initially there was no means breakout. Here you can see here. So though it is the first candle is supporting with the indicator, there is no breakout. But which breakout was happening here also in the P side also, indicator is not supporting. You can see here, indicator is not supporting. Means AO and AC are not supporting. So here which was means C side. C side clearly support was happened, which we here this candle only support was happened. But even though what I did, because I did not enter because it's already to 4-5 candle has already got down. Here if we enter also we'll have to come out very fast, which is very difficult for us to came out. So here also we are not taken the trade. So which so though it is supporting, then again second support was happened to this area. Second support was happened to this area. By the time Nifty got further down here, and there also there is no breakout. You can see here that time Nifty went to 22,650. We also changed it to 22,650, 23,650 CE and 23,650 PE. PE we changed it that. So if you after this one, if you see 23,650 CE, here there is a means support, but which was not breakout was not happening. Then again there is a support. You can see here. This is the area which has got support. This area it has got supported. So earlier there was already fractal was there. Based on this fractal, we entered this area. Here we entered actually. Here we entered around below 8990. Then immediately we trialed because here also already 3-4 candle it is already down movement was there. So hence immediately we trialed. What we did here we booked near about 11 point. We booked the first trade. First trade we came out with 78, 79. So 79. So here we booked around 10 points. We booked here. So this is the entry and this is the stop loss. So here 11 point. We booked the first trade. We booked 11 point. 11 points here. And then afterwards, if you see, there is no immediate support in the C side. That time, this also came down to around 2600. You can see here. This by the time also this is came down to around 22,600 level. So hence we change it to 22,600. 23,600. 23,600 we changed. This is the area. Then again third support here, which we entered actually. Here you can see here, this is a clear support. So here we entered. What we based on this one, based on this candle, based on this fractal breakout, here we entered. Here we entered. This is the entry point around 94. And here also we trialed a little fast. So here you can see here, this is the candle is coming in this one reverse direction. So here we around came out with the 79, 94 and 79. You can see here. So around 15 point here we would have booked 15 point, but whereas what I was little I exited little earlier, because I exited little earlier. Here I could not able to book 15 point, but 15 point is possible, because once this candle is getting reversal, that time only we'll have to put this one means trailing stop loss. And by the time this indicator is also giving still giving the signal. So that is why this area is a proper area. Means here we would have booked 15 point. Earlier 11 point, here we would have booked 15 point. 11 plus 15 points. Then by the time if you see in this 23,600 CP also, 23,600 PE in that area means it around 130. 130 there is no breakout. So here there is a breakout signal is there, but there is no means signal indicator signal is there, but breakout was not there. Then again we changed it to the here 23,550. So it is today there was a totally down move. So then again if you see, this is the breakout. Here it is supporting, but the breakout was not happening. Then again if you see, this is the area it is got breakout. Here we entered. This is the area that is around this is the area we entered, means below this one, around 88 we entered. Then we trialed fully, here this area we exited. So here means 15, around 15 means 3 o'clock candle. So before 3 o'clock there is a movement, but this was a very good movement. This was the very good movement. Here 88, 64 means 24 point here. It's a fantastic moment. So here actually the indicator support was happened this area, means below this candle. You would have entered around 80, 85. You would have entered around 85. So 21 point here. We have go to 21 point. So totally today there was only entries in the C side. So initially 11 plus we have booked 15 plus 21. So if you see, so 26, 46, 47 point total. The opportunity was the total 47 point profit as per the profit. If we would have maintained as per system SL. But what I did, some area means exited early. So near about 28 point I booked. So more than 50% I booked. So that is also okay, because we'll have to be cautious. So every area we cannot able to take the risk. We cannot able to sometimes we cannot able to capture even point by point. We cannot able to capture. Some area we should be very cautious. Then only we can able to preserve our capital. So because sometimes when it is moving towards our direction, I used to put 1 or 2 point below the cost, so that we will be in safe for our this thing. So that time that there may be within 1 or 2 point we would have exited. So if you have took the risk, it means when we are taking the risk, then only reward will be there. Without taking risk, reward will not come. So sometimes if you are huge profit, if you are already booked, then within that profit we can take the risk. Within that, for example, we are morning itself we have booked around 30-40 point. Then you would have taken the out of 30-40 point, we would have taken the 15 to 20 point. We can take the risk. So that is what we'll have to play. So anyway, today there was a very good day. So today we got a very good learning as well as with good this thing. Here one thing I want to convey. So whenever that move is happening, for example, here you can see this is the area move already happened this up to this area. So here we are getting the breakout, means after moving 4 candle, we are getting the indicator support, because as per our indicator system only we can able to enter. Because here if you are entering, here you somebody would have asked why you have left this much candle, here would have entered, but we cannot able to take the confirmation whether our direction will going to support or not. So if you are entering here, sometimes here itself there is a chance of reversal, because this area is means accelerator indicator is not supporting, ISM accelerator is also not supporting. That means the direction is still not confirming. So without confirming the direction, if you are entering, there is a chance of high risk. So that is why what we are taking, we are taking the risk after fully going in our confirmation. So by the time you can see here there is a 4 candle already over. Such type of area if you are entering, we should be very cautious. We should trial the things very fast. So if you are entering in the starting itself, for example, some of the area you can capture in the starting itself. So that you can I will explain in the future videos. Sometimes you would have captured in the starting itself. There is a possibility used to happen. So the first candle or second candle itself, we would have given all the indicators. Such type of things you would have booked more profit. Here there is not. The opportunity was very less. So anyway, these are the lesson. So you can also keep a note on that. Whenever continuous 3 to 4 candle red candle happen, then afterwards you are taking entry, means you should be very cautious. You should trial fast. That is what I used to say. Trial fast means what? Trial fast. Trial fast means every 5 point movement you will have to trial with your stop loss. For example, if you are putting the stop loss of 132 here, so when it is moving the 111, so immediately we can 123 we can come out. And here this candle you can see this has moved 96. So 96 it has already sorry, 96 already moved. In that area, what we can do it, we can do it even 96 around 101, 102, like that we can keep the stop loss for 4 to 5 point above. We can keep the stop loss, so that if it is getting reverse also, so we would have captured that move. That is what my this thing. So thank you for watching. Let us see tomorrow. So tomorrow is the monthly expiry and the yearly expiry. You can say this. Tomorrow is a very crucial day. Tomorrow is the yearly expiry. That means 2024-25 year closing will happen tomorrow. So there may be a big volatile movement. There may be a big volatile movement, because almost 99% people will exit fast, because tomorrow they may not take much risk. They may exit from that position. They will close. They will keep their book clear. Then only in the new fresh financial year they will going to take the positions. That is why tomorrow there may be they are cleaning all. There may be cleaning their books 100%. That is what tomorrow will going to happen. Thank you for watching.